ang isasama ko lang dito ay itong superficial vessels, tapos yung content niya, since kanina na-discuss na yon sa other video. So, yung superficial vessels, so as I said, meron tayong left tsaka right coronary arteries. Tapos yung branches nito ay, this one is the anterior interventricular branch, since this one is the interventricular septum. This one sa likod is the posterior interventricular branch, and itong sa gitna ay yung circumflex branch. Tapos dito, dalawa lang yung importante. This one is the atrial branch, tapos this one is the anterior marginal branch. So, left and right coronary artery branches. Next, yung vein. So, this one, cardiac veins siya. Tapos, pag nandito na sa right, ang tawag sa kanya ay anterior cardiac veins. So, great is anterior. Great cardiac veins, anterior cardiac veins. And then, sa likod, this one is the coronary sinus. Turns out. Then, ito, since this one is the coronary sinus, this one is the coronary sulcus. Ayan. Game, sa contents tayo. So, first, sa right atrium or right auricle. So, this one, kitang-kita, trabeculae coronae. Tapos, meron dito, fossa ovalis, number 7. Tapos, yung opening. So, this one is opening to the superior vena cava. This one is opening to the inferior vena cava. Tapos, this one is the opening to the tricuspid valve. And this one, groove. That groove, yung white, is the opening to the coronary sinus. Next. Sa right ventricle naman tayo. So, sa right ventricle, this one is also trabeculae coronae. Tapos, itong white, those are the papillary muscles. Tapos, itong cords na to, chordae tendineae. Tapos, ito yung nagko-connect papunta dun sa opening of the tricuspid valve. So, meron pangalan yung tatlo nating papillary muscles. So, this one is anterior, tapos posterior, tapos medial valve. So, yeah, medial or septal valve. Anterior, posterior, medial or septal. And this one is the pulmonary valve, since this one is the pulmonary artery. Next, this one is the left auricle and left ventricle. Sa left ventricle, meron din siyang valve, kaso ang tawag ay mitral or bicuspid valve. So, meron tayong anterior, tapos meron tayong posterior. Hindi namin sure yung orientation, basta dalawa, anterior and posterior. Trabeculae coronae, papillary muscle, chordae tendineae. Tapos, itong valve na to, aortic valve. Aortic valve. Okay? Tapos, dito naman sa kabila, sa auricle, 4 lang na opening yung makikita mo dyan. So, lahat ng opening ng pulmonary veins. That's it.